Hey guys, this is week 18 now. So your assignments are up for week 18. You have some notes that I posted on graphing polynomials. You have a review to complete, and then you actually have a test this week. The test will not open until Thursday the 21st, and it will close on the due date, which is Sunday, May 24th. Remember that on Thursday I have a Zoom at 2 o'clock so we can do the review together. And once you do the review, then you should be able to take the test. If you have any questions, it would be a great time to ask any questions before you take your test. So please make sure you join our Zoom at 2 p.m. on Thursday. Also, Communities for a Better Environment has established a financial and resource aid fund for families. The bit.ly is here. Remember that Communities for a Better Environment is not associated with HPIM, but it is a community resource that you and your family can take advantage of. Take care, have a wonderful week, and I hope to see you on Thursday at 2 p.m.